Hello friends, welcome to Learn Positive with Pradeep Kumar. Please like, share and comment. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon. Strength of Material Unit 1 Chapter 1 Statics of Particles Solution for Problems Class 20. It is the last video of Chapter 1. If you want to see my previous videos, please click the bell button on the top of the video. You can see the Strength of Material playlist in both language Tamil and English. See all the videos and subscribe to my channel. Solution for problems 20. A body weighing 2000 Newton, it was suspended with a chain of AB as is 2 meter long. It is pulled by a horizontal force 320 Newton shown in the figure. Find the force in the chain AB due to the body weight 2000 Newton and also the lateral displacement of the body from the wall due to the horizontal force 320 Newton. Now we are going to the given data. So weight W of the body, weight of the body is 2000 Newton and length of the chain AB is 2 meter, horizontal force FB is 320 Newton and we have to find the tension in the chain AB and displacement of the body X from the wall due to the horizontal force. And solution, I am taking it as a Lami's theorem. So applying Lami's theorem, the sine formula is applied. So F divided by sine 90 equal to 2000 divided by sine 180 minus theta and 320 divided by sine 90 plus theta. Now I am going to explain this. The angle of the F in opposite is a right angle triangle. So I take it as a sine 90 degree and the angle of 2000 opposite to the 2000 is 180 minus theta and the angle opposite to the 320 is sine 90 plus theta. We can take it as sine 180 minus theta, but due to the situation we have to find the degree of the whole system. So I take it as a sine 90 plus theta as separately. So due to that, sine 180 minus theta equal to is said to be a sine theta and sine 90 plus theta equal to cos theta. So it is the formula. Now we are going to substitute this on the solution. So F divided by sine 90 is 1. F divided by 1 equal to 2000 divided by sine theta and 320 divided by cos theta. Now I am going to take it as separately for the F. So F equal to 2000 divided by sine theta and F equal to 320 divided by cos theta. So now I am going to transfer the sine theta from left to right to left. So it becomes F sine theta and also same doing same in the right side. I am going to transfer the cos from right to left. It becomes F cos theta. So F sine theta equal to 2000. I take it as equation 1 and F cos theta equal to 320. I take it as equation 2. Now I am going to divide the equation 1 by 2. So it becomes sine theta equal to 2000 divided by F cos theta equal to 320. I am cancelling the F on both sides and sine by cos is tan theta equal to 6.25. Now I am transferring the tan from left to right. It becomes tan inverse. So theta equal to tan inverse 6.25. The value of theta is 80.909. I am going to substitute the value of theta, that is 80.909 in equation 2. The equation 2 is F cos theta equal to 320. Now I am going to transfer the cos from left to right. So it becomes divide. So F equal to 320 divided by cos 80.909. So the value of F is 2025.278 Newton. Now we found the tension in the chain AB. It was 2025.278 Newton. Now we are going to find the displacement of the body X. So I take it as a triangle. So from the figure, the cos theta equal to adjacent side by hypotenuse. So cos theta equal to X divided by AB. The adjacent side is X and the hypotenuse is AB. We know the value of AB, it was 2 and we know the value of theta. I am going to substitute that. So cos 80.909 equal to X by 2. Now I am transferring the 2 from the right to left. It becomes multiplication. So cos 80.909 into 2 equal to X. The value of X is 0.316 meter. We found the displacement of the body due to the horizontal force. So now going to the result. The tension in the chain AB is 2025.278 Newton, and the displacement of the body X due to the horizontal force is 0.316 meter. This was the last video of chapter 1. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up, and if you have any doubt, mention on the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you friends.